Did you know that just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids? This tiny seed packs a nutritional punch that can transform your body and health. Chia seeds are rich in essential nutrients that many of us lack in our daily diet. Despite their small size, chia seeds can help you stay full longer and reduce cravings thanks to their high fiber content. This makes them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. Moreover, chia seeds are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Interestingly, chia seeds also contain more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon, making them a plant-based powerhouse for heart health. They are also loaded with antioxidants that help protect the body from aging and diseases such as cancer. With such impressive nutritional credentials, it's no wonder chia seeds are hailed as a superfood. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central and South America. Historically, they were a staple food for the ancient Aztecs and Mayans. Recently, chia seeds have gained popularity worldwide for their health benefits. These tiny seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into various dishes. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. Many people find losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle to be challenging. Common obstacles include lack of time for meal preparation, cravings for unhealthy snacks, and difficulty staying full between meals. These factors often lead to frustration and abandonment of weight loss efforts. One major issue is the consumption of low-fiber, high-calorie foods that do not provide sustained energy or satiety. This can result in overeating and weight gain. Additionally, modern diets often lack essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies that can affect overall health and well-being. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like chia seeds into your diet can help address these challenges. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps promote feelings of fullness and reduces appetite. They also provide a steady release of energy, preventing the spikes and crashes associated with sugary and processed foods. By adding chia seeds to your meals, you can create more balanced, satisfying dishes that support your weight loss goals. Chia seeds are renowned for their high fiber content, which is crucial for digestive health and weight management. Dietary fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and maintain a healthy gut. It also slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. In addition to fiber, chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. For those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, chia seeds provide a complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Omega-3 fatty acids are another standout feature of chia seeds. These healthy fats are vital for brain function, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. Unlike animal-based sources of omega-3s, chia seeds offer a sustainable plant-based alternative that fits into various dietary preferences. The combination of fiber, protein, and omega-3s makes chia seeds a powerful addition to any diet, supporting overall health and well-being. Section 5. Real-life success. A transformative journey with chia seeds. Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of 2 who struggled with weight loss and maintaining her energy levels. Despite trying various diets and exercise routines, Sarah found it challenging to shed the extra pounds and keep them off. That was until she discovered chia seeds. Sarah started adding chia seeds to her morning smoothies and noticed a significant change within weeks. She felt fuller for longer, reducing her mid-morning cravings for unhealthy snacks. The steady release of energy from the chia seeds helped her stay active throughout the day without feeling fatigued. Encouraged by these initial results, Sarah experimented with different chia seed recipes, including chia pudding and chia-encrusted chicken. Over 6 months, she lost 25 pounds and significantly improved her overall health. Her digestion improved, and she experienced fewer bloating episodes. Sarah's success story is a testament to the transformative power of chia seeds in achieving health and weight loss goals. Section 6. Scientific evidence backing up chia's claims. Numerous studies support the health benefits of chia seeds. Research published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that chia seeds can significantly reduce appetite and increase the feeling of fullness. This helps with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Another study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlighted chia seeds' high antioxidant content, which helps combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants found in chia seeds help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage and promoting overall health. Furthermore, a study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research indicated that chia seeds could enhance exercise performance and endurance. Participants who consumed chia seeds before a workout had increased energy levels and improved stamina. These findings align with the historical use of chia seeds by ancient warriors and athletes for sustained energy during physical exertion. Section 7. The digestive benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a boon for digestive health thanks to their high fiber content. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This process helps soften stool and promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, chia seeds contain insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and aids in moving it through the digestive system. This combination of soluble and insoluble fiber makes chia seeds an excellent choice for maintaining a balanced and efficient digestive system. The prebiotic properties of chia seeds also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. Including chia seeds in your diet can help create a favorable environment for these beneficial bacteria, enhancing your digestive health and overall wellness. Section 8. Energy Boost. How chia seeds fuel the body. Chia seeds are an excellent source of sustained energy, making them a popular choice for athletes and those with active lifestyles. The combination of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein in chia seeds provides a balanced energy release, preventing the highs and lows associated with other energy sources. The carbohydrates in chia seeds are primarily in the form of fiber, which slows down digestion and provides a steady supply of energy. This is particularly beneficial for endurance athletes who need long-lasting fuel for their activities. The healthy fats and protein in chia seeds also contribute to this sustained energy, supporting muscle function and recovery. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health, ensuring efficient blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles during exercise. By incorporating chia seeds into your pre- or post-workout meals, you can enhance your performance, reduce fatigue, and improve recovery time. Easy and delicious chia seed recipes. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. Here are a few simple recipes to get you started. Chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk. Add a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and top with fresh fruit. Chia smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk. Add ice and blend until smooth. Experiment with chia seeds in your favorite dishes. Section 10. Practical tips for adding chia seeds to your diet. Here are some practical tips for incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine. 1. Start small. If you're new to chia seeds, start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. 2. Soak them. Soaking chia seeds in water or other liquids helps them expand and become easier to digest. This also enhances their nutritional benefits. 3. Mix and match. Add chia seeds to various dishes such as smoothies, salads, soups, and baked goods. Their mild flavor makes them a versatile ingredient. 4. Stay hydrated. Chia seeds absorb a lot of liquid, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support digestion. By following these tips, you can easily enjoy the health benefits of chia seeds and make them a regular part of your diet. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. Section 11. Call to action. Share your chia seeds experience. Now that you know the incredible benefits of chia seeds, it's time to take action. Start incorporating chia seeds into your diet today and experience the positive changes in your health and well-being. Share your favorite chia seed recipes and success stories with friends and family to inspire them on their health journey. Follow us on social media for more tips, recipes, and updates on the latest health trends. Use the hashtag #ChiaSeeds to join the conversation and connect with a community of health enthusiasts. Let's make chia seeds a part of our daily lives and unlock the secret to a healthier, more energetic you. Don't forget to share your experiences and explore more content on our website for continuous inspiration and support.